In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll have a clean connection between your project work and your sales data, so updates flow where they should without manual copy-paste. To start from ClickUp, sign in and open the workspace where you want the integration active. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one. Look for the More menu, the grid icon with 9 dots. Open that, then select Apps. This is where ClickUp centralizes its integrations and add-ons. In the Apps page, use the search bar and type HubSpot. When the HubSpot app appears, select it to open the details. Choose Manage to review what the integration does and confirm you're connecting it in the right place. When you're ready, click Add to HubSpot. You'll be redirected to HubSpot to finish the install. If prompted, sign in, choose the correct HubSpot account, and approve the requested permissions. These permissions enable ClickUp to link tasks with HubSpot records like contacts, companies, and deals. If you don't see the right account, switch portals in HubSpot or ask an admin for access. You can also begin from HubSpot if that's more convenient. Open HubSpot and go to the app marketplace, then use the search bar to look up ClickUp. Select the ClickUp listing to view the overview, reviews, and scope of access. Click Install. HubSpot will prompt you to connect to your ClickUp workspace. Sign in if needed. Choose the correct ClickUp workspace and approve. Both paths end the same way. HubSpot and ClickUp are linked after you authorize the connection on both sides. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Double check that you have the right permissions in both tools before you begin. Installation typically requires admin level access. If the authorization window doesn't appear, disable any pop-up blockers and try again. Installing from one platform is enough. You don't need to repeat the process in the other unless you're switching accounts or workspaces. If the integration seems inactive, refresh both apps and confirm you installed it in the exact workspace and HubSpot portal you intend to use. Once connected, you'll be able to associate ClickUp tasks with HubSpot records and keep teams aligned without duplicate data entry. Consider testing with a sample record to confirm the link is working as expected. That's it. Your ClickUp and HubSpot CRM are now integrated, giving your sales and operations teams a shared real-time view of work.